You like what you are saying, right? All right, so in today's video I want to share with you guys this profitable volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so I don't want to waste much of our time. So this is a volatility index strategy that you can blend in with price action. All right, and it works very well if you are someone that trades support and resistance. All right, this strategy will help you get a better confirmation in the market. All right, so this strategy will help you have an edge in the market. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to take this entry using this profitable strategy. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital information you don't want to miss. All right, so first of all I'm going to be explaining how to trade with this strategy based on the indicator here, and then after that I will show you how to support it using price action. Right, so first of all, you can see here on the indicator window, all right, we want to allow the blue and the green line here to get to the over sold level here, which is the 20 level. All right, now when you get this confirmation, when you have seen that price is at this level, the next thing you want to be looking out for is a crossing of this green line here above the blue line. All right, now this crossing must happen below this 20 level, right, for you to be sure of the signal the indicator is giving to you. All right, it must happen below it. All right, so once you get the crossing below this 20 level, all right, so once you see the green line crossing above the blue line, what you do next is that you observe and wait for price to cross above this purple line here on the main chart. All right, so let me get rid of this trend line. So you observe and wait for price to break above the purple line. All right, now this purple moving average here on the main chart is serving as resistance in the market, right? This line here is serving as your resistance. All right, so there is a resistance here that price has broken above. All right, now this is the second confirmation you need to get in the market before you think of taking an entry. All right, so once you get this close above the purple line, all right, based on the indicator, if you are a beginner and you don't understand price action, you can just go in. All right, you can just place a buy immediately you see that the candlestick have closed above this purple line. You can just buy and then hold till this green line here gets to touch the 80 level here, which is our overbought level. All right, so when you see this line touching the 80 level, then you exit the market. All right, that's based on the indicator. All right, now in order to blend this strategy with your price action strategy, or if you are someone that trades support and resistance, all right, if support and resistance is your strategy, and if you are someone that use price action, right, to take entry, and you use support and resistance, then this strategy is going to help you a long way also. Right, now you are going to go to your higher time frame, and then you mark the key levels you can see in the market, which is the support and resistance area. Right, now when I got to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, as you can see here, I was able to mark this support area here. All right, and then this resistance here. All right, now initially price was somewhere around here. All right, so I waited for price to get to the key level here, which is this zone here. All right, and then I went to the 50-minute time frame. All right, and I waited for these indicators here to get to the 20 level. All right, then I wait for the green line to cross above the blue line. Right, then the final condition earlier explained was that you need to wait for the candlestick to break above the purple line and then close. All right, so now you have done your analysis from the 4 hours time frame. All right, and now you need a better entry confirmation. All right, that's where this indicator plays an important role. Right, like I explained earlier, you wait for all these conditions which I earlier explained to be met, and then you can place your buy, all right, using the indicator as your entry confirmation. Right, so in my own case, all right, this is where candlestick pattern comes in also, because candlestick pattern also plays an important role in getting your entry confirmation. Right, so I waited for a bullish candlestick confirmation, all right, which was something like this. You can see this red candle here with a long wick. All right, this is a hammerhead. All right, you can call it any name you want, but this is a bullish candlestick. All right, then when I saw this, I knew that market was going to buy, all right, but when I took the entry it was late, all right. So well, this candlestick alone that I saw gave me the confidence to take the entry, right? It was a late entry, but I knew it was going to buy, and the risk to reward was okay to me, all right. The risks I was willing to take was okay to me, so I just like went into the trade, all right. And secondly, my second plan of action that was that if it comes down to this level, all right, I was going to mark this area that, and the plan was that if it comes back to this area of support here, and then I get this kind of candlestick for confirmation again, I will still buy, all right. So either way I was willing to take the buy, all right, but I entered the trade earlier, and as you can see now, I'm in massive profit, all right, using this indicator here as the confirmation, all right. So there are many factors you can use along with this indicator strategy that will help you have an edge in the market, all right. So I just said I should quickly share this with you guys, and if you know you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to give the video a like, all right. It will help the video get to a lot more people that needs to see this, all right. You need to share the video with your family members so that they get to use this strategy and make money from the market too, all right. And lastly, before I go, for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram community, like I earlier said in my previous video, I will be making my VIP group a free one for everyone in the year 2026, all right, because I believe 2026 is going to be a year of massive opportunities for those that believe, all right. So I'll be making my Telegram, my VIP Telegram channel free for everyone, all right. So if you're interested, you check the description of this video, you are going to see the Telegram link there to join. And if you're watching from TikTok, the link is on my bio, all right. Make sure to click on it, and if you click on it, all right, and it refuses to go through, copy the link and then paste it on your browser, all right, and then click on it. From there it will go, all right. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I believe I've shared a lot of important secrets with you guys on how you are to take your entry using this powerful indicator, and how to blend it with price action, which is support and resistance zone. You can use trend line, and you can use candlestick patterns, all right. All these confirmation are very important in the market in order to be profitable in the long run, all right. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Silver out. Before I go, I almost forgot the indicator setup. Let me quickly share it with you guys. So you are going to first of all click on this F icon. All right, now you can see we have about 4 indicators here. The moving average, I forgot to make mention of the use of the fractal, but it's not that important, so no need, right? So you are going to click on the main window plus icon, then you search for your moving average. These are the properties. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to exclude. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it any color of your choice. Mine is purple, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. You're going to have this purple line on your chart. Then nextly, we have the fractal, which is not that important, but you can use the default setting for it, all right. The fractal helped me to identify the major structures in the market, all right. So that's what the fractal is. So after setting it, you click on done, all right. So you can see this here, it helps you to pinpoint the major structures in the market. That's what the fractals help me to do, all right. Then nextly, we have the relative strength index, all right. So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for relative strength index. These are the properties for it. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 20 and 80, right. The style is color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, you click on done. So once you add the relative strength index, you are going to have this level 80 and level 20 here on your chart. And then for the green and purple line, you are going to be adding the Ichimoku, all right. So for the Ichimoku to be added under the relative strength index, you are going to be clicking on the indicator with the 1 plus icon here, and then you search for your Ichimoku, all right. So these are the properties for the Ichimoku. The Tenkan Sen is 1, Kinjun Sen is 2, Senkun whatever is 52. You unfill it. Time frame is all time frame. Under the style, Tenkan-sen is color blue, right? You make it 4 pixel. The Kinjun-sen, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel for it. The Chinkun span, you make it the color green, 3 pixel for that one, or you can make it 4 pixel. Right, after that, the next one we have the Upkumu, which is color, the color of your background, right, 1 pixel, and the other one is 1 pixel also, color of your background, right? So we only need these two color here, right? So take note of that. So after that, you click on done, and once you have set everything correctly as I've explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, as you can see, my TP has been smashed. All right, this is a massive profit here. All right, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel where you get free signals for the rest of 2026. All right, it's a big opportunity. Don't miss it out. All right, so I'll be seeing you in the next one. See you out.